Hello friends, today I am discuss about most important question for B.Ed exam. If you do B.Ed anywhere like Bihar, Haryana, MP, UP and any another state, then it is most important for exam point of view, so you can prepare it without wasting of time. So let's start. Question number 21. What do you mean by curriculum? Explain its nature and importance also. Meaning and definition of curriculum. The word curriculum has been derived from the Latin word curi, which means a race or race course or to run. To proceed. In 1576, Petrus Ramus, professor at the University of Paris, in his work Professio Regia, was first to contribute in the field of education. Curriculum may be defined as the planned and guided learning experiences and intended learning outcomes formulated through the systematic construction of knowledge and experiences under the auspices of the school. For the learners, continuous and willful growth in personal social competency. According to CUNY GUM, curriculum is a tool in the hands of the artist teacher to mold his material pupils according to his ideas, aims and objectives in his studio. Studio is here school. Okay. Next, according to care, all the learning which is planned and guided by the school, whether it is carried on in groups or individual, inside or outside of school. Next point is, furthermore, the curriculum define why, what, when, how, and with whom to learn. Thus, curriculum can refer to the entire program provided by a classroom, school, district, state, or country. A classroom is assigned section of the curriculum as defined by the school. Nature of curriculum. Curricula as a set of objectives. Curriculum can be seen as a means of achieving a specific educational goal and objectives. In this sense, a curriculum can be regarded as a checklist or desired outcomes. In the curriculum development process, generally speaking, the objectives are clear and specific in behavioral and observable terms. Next point, curricula as courses of study or content. Curriculum can be understood as a process of selecting courses of study or content. In this sense, a curriculum also either describes or prescribes the content and goal of formal instruction but lays the means of instruction out of the foreground of focus. Although this use of the curriculum appears similar to the above mentioned definition, curricula as a set of objectives in terms of the inclusion of goals. In fact, there is a different focus. Next point, curricula as plans. A curriculum can be seen as a plan or a short of blueprint for systematically implementing educational activities. This sense of the term combines content with instructional method and hence has a wider scope than the former two curricular paradigm because of the inclusion of method. In this vein, Tom 1984 canvassed curriculum as a plan for teaching or instruction. Similarly, Pratt 1994 conceives it as a plan for a sustained process of teaching and learning with a specific focus on content and the process of teaching and learning. Curricula as documents. Some people view curriculum as a document, an outline of a course program that is written on a piece of paper. This curriculum has become associated with the official written programs of study published by ministries or department of education, local authorities or board of education, and commercial firms of teams of educational specialists working on a special funded project. Next point, curricula as experiences. Instead of regarding curricula narrowly as formalized classroom content or prescriptive learning objective, it may be useful to think of them more holistically as programs for experiences. Next point is importance of curriculum. Curriculum provided several benefits such as providing a structure for an educational course and having an end goal that teachers set for their students to reach. Curricula vary widely in structure and complexity but are valuable for many different areas of education, including linguistics, mathematics, and science. Curriculum is in fact that wrap. Curriculum is in fact the warp and woof of the whole educational process. Its importance may be summed up as follows. Achievement of educational aims. Merely defining the aims of education is futile. There should be well-planned effort to achieve the aims of education. We must think of knowledge, activities, experience, and other influences which help in the achievement of aims of education. Next point, useful for teacher. The teacher is required to achieve the aims of education. For that purpose, he has to employ suitable instructional method and procedure. But this he can do only when he knows what effort he is to make and in what order. In other words, he should know the content of curriculum, which consists of subject, activities, and experiences in the properly graded form. Next point is criteria for suitable teachers. It is curriculum which can show what types of teachers are required in the school. We should know what type of work they are required to do and whether this is according to the requirements of curriculum. Next point, selection of suitable method. Curriculum enables the teacher to select suitable method of teaching. How to teach will be determined by what to teach. Next point, reflects trends in education. Curriculum is a means to achieve the aims of education, which are dynamic and change with the changing social requirement. Naturally, the curriculum will reflect the trends in education. Next point, providing suitable knowledge. Curriculum should include suitable knowledge which will help in the achievement of educational aim. Next point is providing suitable activities and experiences. Curriculum includes well selected activities and experiences needed for the development of pupils according to social requirement. Next point is providing wholesome influences. Curriculum should provide wholesome school program to develop the desirable behavior pattern in the pupils. So thank you friends. Hope you will learn something new. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, subscribe and like.